So today I'm going to try the Roche Art Pearl method. I'll put the link in the description. So I mixed up 3 brands of paint just to see the brands. And the reactive pearl mixture that she has is 1 part paint, Floetrol, and 1/2 part of the Artist Loft pouring medium. So I then diluted this with Floetrol until it took 3 seconds for the blob to disappear. And you'll see that I'm just checking each one, and they're 3 seconds. I also tested out different brands of paint just to see if they react differently. She used Artist Loft, so I went ahead and used the same Artist Loft paint to see. So I had seen this video a while back and I totally forgot about it until Michelle mentioned it. She likes to try a bunch of different pearl recipes, and so I decided to go ahead and try this as well. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the multicolored silicone oil pearls that you get. So go check out her channel because she has a lot of examples and she's been doing this for a while. She has some cool coral reef ones, which is kind of what I'm trying to replicate here. So I'm just layering alternating colors to see what the pearls look like when their colors kind of mix with each other. I also decided to add just a regular white that I use in straight pours, just titanium white Floetrol, and a little bit of the pouring medium from Liquitex, and I thought I would just use that as a control. It's about the same consistency as these reactive paints, kind of just as a control to see if the white did anything by itself with the thin paint over it. So just like in the previous pearl pours that I've tried, the Dutch pour paints are just Floetrol water and paint, and that's what her non-reactive top paint was as well. So I'm just using some of my Dutch pour paints. They have about the same consistency and the same ingredients, so they're about 1 second or less on the blob scale. Since I haven't done this technique before, I'm not sure exactly what to expect. It kind of seems like I have way too much paint, so I'll be curious to see if the pearls develop. I'll put some music on, but the final painting had a little bit of an accident. The pegs that I put in the back I didn't actually level them. I thought they were pretty even, but after I put it on the table and I came back a few minutes later, it all pretty much ran off the side, so I don't have the final result. Just, you'll see it develop here, so you can see the time lapse. So I definitely like the cells that are showing up. You see the copper cell with the blue in the middle. I like the multicolored cells that I'm getting. And so I'll definitely be trying this again in the future. So stay tuned for some more of these type of pours. So I found these to be a lot easier to do than the regular pearl pours. Maybe you'll like this technique as well.